I'd like to share a recipe that really I think is loaded with antioxidants and omega-3s.
Yeah,
so
can't wait.
Yeah, it's just pretty easy steps. We're just going to whip it up and enjoy. So it's a chia pudding actually,
right?
Chocolate. So
oh wow,
yeah. So we'll start.
And this is all that's in it right here.
This is it. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's not a whole lot. So we're going to start with a 1.5 cups of plant-based milk. This is unsweetened. This is oat milk, but really, whatever you like to have, whatever kind you like to buy is fine.
So Karen, when you're shopping for plant-based milks like oat milk, is there anything you need to pay attention to when you're reading the ingredients?
Well, typically, the less ingredients, the better.
Right.
And the ingredients that you understand what they are.
Right.
So you don't want words that are 26 letters long.
Right.
But I like to stay away from any sweeteners.
Right.
And any oils.
Right.
So
So I guess some use it to emulsify the milk, is what I understand, right?
Right. Yeah.
Right.
But I mean,
you just don't need it, right?
This one just has oats and water.
Yeah. So that's what you're looking for.
And I also do recommend that even if it does have a little oil in it or whatever, but always shake it.
Yeah.
Give it a little shake right before.
Right.
Okay. So we have a 1.5 cups of oat milk in here.
Right.
Now I'm going to add in just a pinch of salt. And we want to add a sweetener in here. Now, the sweetener of choice for me is date paste.
Right.
And this just dates and water blended. That's all
wow.
this is. And rule of thumb here is 1 tablespoon is 1 date.
Oh, wow.
So we are going to add in 4 dates.
Right.
So 4-ish tablespoons.
And that's great too, because unlike white sugar, you still got, that's just the whole date, right? So there's fiber and all the other good things that come in. Clearly there's some sugar there, but you're getting that fiber and all that as well, right?
That's right. Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you're getting all of those phytonutrients. This is cocoa powder.
Right.
So,
again, highly anti-inflammatory, antioxidant.
that's right. Now we're going to add in some chia seeds.
Right, our omega-3s.
Omega-3s, yes.
Also fiber.
And a little bit of vanilla.
Okay.
Oh, you could add vanilla. You could add some almond extract.
You put cinnamon in there.
Cinnamon in there, yeah. So really, it's a very versatile recipe. Now this is a little bit of, this is vanilla, but it's vanilla paste.
Yeah,
so
I've never seen that.
Vanilla powder, vanilla extract, vanilla paste, whatever you have at home is totally fine.
Right.
Now that's it. And we're
wow.
just going to blend this up.
Right.
And you want to make sure you either use a blender or this is a NutriBullet, but definitely a blender of some sort, not a food processor.
Right. Because you want to get all that stuff mixed up and such, yeah.
So, doesn't take long.
But you're going to want to, the chias take some time to do, chia seeds, when you get them wet, they become glutinous, right?
Right.
And so that takes some time to develop, right?
That's exactly right. So we have, it's pretty watery now, but I have, what we do here is I would put this in the fridge, wait for it to become that really thick
like
gelatinous.
Overnight or a few hours, right?
Yeah. But because we want to eat it right now, and we respect everybody's time, we don't have all the time in the world, we want to put this off to the side. I'm going to put this off to the side. This will go in the fridge. But we have already made up for us here. And then we'll just top it with a few berries. Right? More antioxidants.
I'll trade with you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yum, yum, yum.
Yeah. Wow, this is like an uber healthy dessert, isn't it?
I know, yeah.
All right.
There you go.
So we dig in?
Yeah, dig in and let's start hopefully preventing
Alzheimer's disease.
Alzheimer's, yeah.
So good. That's amazing.
So chocolatey. I love it.
I know, that's amazing.